Honest Machinery is a company specializing in the manufacture of solid waste recycling equipment. The company has decades of experience in manufacturing recycling equipment. A strong R&D team and first-class service attitude provide customers with high-quality shredders. The company has independently developed and manufactured double-shaft shredders, single-shaft shredders, 4-shaft shredders and other recycling equipment. Our metal shredders are suitable for scrap recycling requirements in various industries. For example, waste cars, electric cars, bicycles, engines, electronic waste, metal, plastic, wood, waste rubber, packaging barrels, etc. There are many kinds of recycling, and the shredded materials can be directly recycled. This industrial metal shredder has the characteristics of low speed, high torque and low noise. It can automatically control the opening and closing of the equipment. According to different materials, the types of blades are also different. We can design the types of blades and shredders according to the materials and needs of customers. Watch the video to learn more about our shredder.